tastes very good. I even put some vitamin D in it to sweeten it up. Let's try some more. Ready? Ready? Just a little. There you go. You're not liking it? It's good for you. You're gonna hear that a lot. Got that. Okay, ready? Oh, okay, now. One more? Yep. Okay, you ready for some more? Here we go. It really must be like bitter. Okay, let's see if we can finish one spoonful. Got a little bit left. Ready? That one wasn't too bad. One more. Alright, we might be done early.